So Indonesia versus Iran, final of the AFC Futsal Asian Cup. Let's get right into it. So let's take a look at this. So Iranian player passes to I think the winger or the pivot. He flicks the ball to the open space like this. Good move to escape your opponents. And that will surprise them because they won't expect the flicking of the ball. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Fake and run. So this guy passed. This guy Solar passed the ball to not sure if Solar different it's a different player. Pass the ball and take his ball. Provide support to the passer. This guy right here. Watch this guy. Pass the ball with his soul to the back. So he knows, probably knows, that he has support at his back. So let's take a look at the first Iran goal. Alright, so let's replay again. So what he did here was to just cut to this space, to this tight space over here. Then it was passed directly to the space. Okay, so the ability of the shooter to twist the body is important to note here. So as you can see, he was facing the the guy in the corner, the guy who passed, but he twisted his body to his left to shoot the ball. He places he repositioned his body to shoot the ball again. Planted the foot here because he planted the foot, and then it was enough space for them to be for the Indonesian players to be surprised. Goal, goal by Iran, the first goal. Okay, so let's watch the sequence here. To see this is one of the dribble highlights that the Iranian team would make throughout the match. So this guy in the number 12, Salar and Muslim would do this prevalently throughout the match. This guy and the Salar is the number 12. Okay, the number 8 is Muslim. Yeah. So both are excellent dribblers. So again, let's look at it. Yeah. It's like Messi playing futsal because they have a low center of gravity and they're great dribblers. So they like to take on players one on one to provide that isolation movement for their team. So let's take a look at the number 12, Salah. Here he takes his run and then he went back. Okay. So fake run and go back. Then let's take a look at this sequence here. So dribble. Again, sorry. Dribble. Cutting through the defense and opening up for his teammates. So this is a protection of the ball by the Fibo. Got the Fibo here. Protect. Good protection. So another fake run here. Again, let's take a look at the bottom of your screen. Fake his run here, and he went back to support the keeper. So another one of the highlights of the duo of Iran, the dribbling duo of Iran. They like to play in isolation. No? They like to dribble one on one with the opponent. Again, ball protection by the pivot right here. Indonesian pivot. He protects the ball, extending his arms, and he's not facing um his back towards his opponent. He's like diagonal to his opponent. Here you will see the when this guy receives the ball, he immediately touch the ball and face face forward. Okay, keeping the ball and having options to dribble or to pass the ball to his side. So now take a look at the sequence of Indonesia, the goal of Indonesia right here. Let's rewind that. So here, the player took a touch, and then feinted to his left, and there's a rebound. Good goal, good follow up. But what we'd like to note here is the feint that he did here to trick the opponent into going into one side. That's important for us to learn also as well. Take a look at this guy here. He's going to recover the ball, covered it, but what he does? He scans. See that? He tried to recover the ball, then he scanned to his opponent and then cuts to a different direction so that the ball won't be taken from him. So it's important that when you dribble, you do not you always scan also to check if there are dangers, and this is the goal combination. The chest control, good chest control. A pass from the keeper, chest control. What I like about this is that he controlled the ball with direction, so he did not just stop the ball with his chest. Rather, he pointed his chest towards the space here to put the ball there. Gives him an advantage. Yeah, it's a goal. So the pivot protects the ball. The Iranian pivot protect. And you can see his body shape right now when he's protecting the ball. See, it's like extending the arm, not too much, but enough to protect the ball from the to still dribble the ball which direction he wants. And so this is the goal sequence of Indonesia. It's from the keeper, fake shot, then toe poke. Toe poke to the corner netting. Oh, fake shot, then toe poke. So it's a good goal. Let's see the replay. Take the shot, cut to his right, then toe poke. Good goal, good finish. So another highlight by Salar. Watch as he dribbles past this player. What he did there was to flick the ball, dribble like a winger, then suddenly exploded into this space with the flick, and then took the shot. So take a look at this sequence right here. Fake run, then watch as this watch this guy here. This guy, number 10, I think. He ran to the open space. He ran here towards to provide space to his opponent and to provide an attacking option, a far attacking option, just to have that option to take the pass closer to the goal. What a touch! What a touch that is! That's a good touch. You touch it with the sole of the foot, directing it to this part to this space here, uh, and then luckily it just missed by the post, shaved the post. Okay, so another dribble by Iran's number 8, Muslim. Watch as he feints slightly and took a run. So another goal by Iran here, the set piece. Yeah, passing the ball through the opponent's speed. That's what. Taking the ball, goal. Okay, so let's take a look at the dribbling highlight here. This is the dribbling highlight by Iran. One of those dribbling highlights. One on ones. They're good at it. So another dribbling highlight by Muslim. Uh, trying to pass to the pivot here. See? So another dribbling highlight. think by Muslim again. Yep, by Muslim number 8. Player of, I believe, player of Palma Futsal in Spain, if I'm not mistaken. On to the second half, so a diagonal pass in the pivot protect the ball. So another highlight here is in the pivot, pass the ball to the side. Okay. So again, diagonal pass, pivot protect the ball. Look at this guy here. He jumped a little bit, then he pushed the ball with his hold. So more common in futsal. This touch. Let's take a look at this again. Another pivot protection here, extending his arm again, finding balance and being diagonal to the opponent, to the defender. So a sequence of pivot protection, this time by Indonesian pivot. Protect the ball, diagonal to the player, protecting the ball. This time, let's take a look at the diagonal pass defense. So this guy, watch this defender, he blocked the diagonal pass. Anticipated that pass, and block it. Block the passing lane. So let's take a look at this. One-on-one defense, making the defense uncomfortable by extending your hands, not too excessively, but enough to distract the attacker. Let's take a look at it again. Again. See, extending his hands here, following the attacker wherever he goes. Good block. So inbound play by Iran. This is a goal. So we could note that it's best that for this type of instances, when the keeper is covering the goal here, the near post, you can shoot and take a deflection at the bottom. Most likely it will deflect. It will result in a goal. It's a good chance taking right there. So Indonesian goal sequence right here. This was, I believe, an error by Iran. So that what Iran did. Again, blocking the passing lanes. This guy here pressures the one with the ball, not not overcommitting, but anticipating where it should be, where it should land, or where this guy would pass it. This guy is waiting in the wings to intercept the ball. But it was an error. It resulted in a goal by Indonesia. Okay, so this is the sequence where Iran had a chance counter attack. But look at the three defenders swarming this attacker here. But still, the pivot made that a way to pass the ball outside and had a good chance to score. Iran had a good chance to score. Take a look at this chest control here by the Iran player. Wow, he jumped and tried to protect the ball immediately. Another Iran dribble highlight by number 8, Salar, I believe, or Muslim, I think. Almost a goal, passing to the wide open player near the goal. Okay, to highlight the defending of this guy here. Watch his stance. He's not squared up like we all used to. So he's planting his foot on one sporty leg because he knows that a cut here would be devastating. So he's trying to, or a cut here outside would enable this player to go to the goal. So he's trying to block this particular area, particular side of the player. Wow. Okay, so another entertaining highlight right there. This guy, I think it's Salar. Salar. Did you see the bus? Okay. Wow, it's a back heel pass. Not sure what's called. Another dribbling highlight here. Iran. So let's take a look at this sequence right here. Pass the ball to the pivot. Pivot protects the ball. Protects the pickets. Pick. So this, watch the pivot right here. He managed to defend without the pivot receiving the ball. Let's take a look at it again. Boom. Let's take a look at the sequence. Pass the ball, receive, then face front. Immediately assess the options. So let's take a look at this run. Watch this guy here. Fake run, then go back. So the sequence right here. Watch this bottom of your screen. This number 5 went here just to provide space for this guy. So we could either cut here or move, but the important thing is that this guy has space now because it's not the space is not crowded. This guy went ahead, outside. We'll take a look at the sequence. Number 14, fake pass, and he dribbled. He touched the ball with the L. There. Take a look at this guy, risky behavior. Uh, Tries to run to space, receive the ball here. But he scans first, so you can see he turned his head, knows that there's a teammate right here, or knows that the defender is closing him, and then he flicks the ball. Wow, nice flip. Okay, so this is another Pixo stop by the Iranian Pixo, stopping it before receiving the ball. So the Iranian sequence attack. Okay, that's the ball for the player outside. I think he shot it with the uh, three fingers of his right, tres dedos, three toes. So the behavior of the ball is to spin slightly outside because you hit it with the three fingers. So the sequence pressures Indonesia is pressuring. Then this guy open up here. The number 12 pass, then open up. So important that you always open up in futsal to provide that passing option. So pass to the pivot. Pivot protects the ball, but the defender makes him uncomfortable. So the pivot decides to pass it back. So at this point, Iran brought in a flying keeper, an extra quick player on the outfield. So, boom, goal. Utilization of the extra player. This is another pass to the Pivo, then the Fixo interrupting the pass before the Pivo received the ball. So let's watch this guy here on top of your screen. Support foot, see? Support foot is moving back and forth, back and forth. So what I mean by that is there's a supporting foot, right? So this is not the foot that is stepping on the ball, rather this is the foot, the other foot. Okay? Look at this, his left foot. Move. One, two, three. Boom. Almost a goal. Okay, so another one of the when you touch the ball, you face forward immediately. So pass, the Iranian player pass this here, touch the ball and stop. Okay. So this guy, number 13, taking the chance, exploding into space on his left, then shooting the ball with his left foot. So at this point, Iran decided to dribble the ball. To dribble the ball with their two best dribblers, Muslim and Salar, number 12. Another dribble highlight right here. A Muslim. Almost with it. So watch this guy here, number 10. Take his run, then went back. Then went, then went back to the number to provide space for Muslim. Another dribble highlight. The dribble highlight by Iran. In the extra time, they really utilize their dribblers. I think the strategy that worked for them to draw their opponents, to isolate them. Another dribble right here. Number 10 right here is making his run. Number 12, the another trick drifter, Salar, tried to shoot but missed. Was blocked. Okay, so this was the counter by Indonesia. Almost a goal. I think ended up as a corner, but number 5 got it back. Well, what a game. We did not see it in the television, but it was a quick attack from the corner. So again, Iran bringing in extra player because they're down one. The 1 minute left. Okay, nice goal. So let's dissect that play. It was passed to number 12, pass to the extra player. You know what happens here. This guy, extra player, blocks this guy so that he could have space. This guy could have space to shoot. Boom. Didn't see the goal here. Again, blocking. I think it was touched with this guy, the pivot, but it was a goal credited to Muslim or to Salar rather. So this was 2 minutes after the goal of Indonesia, and it was the Indonesian crowd was going wild already. And they thought they were winning, but Iran answered immediately. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got something out of this. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. So again, congrats to Iran for winning the Asian Championship and also to Indonesia for making this region proud. Me personally, I like uh, Indonesia to win because they represent the Southeast Asia. But yeah, futsal is like that. Any game is like that. There are winners and there are losers. But what a game! What a game, guys. So thank you for entertaining us. Peace out.